Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my crochet tutorial series. So previously we crochet slip stitch, and in today's video we will learn the single crochet. Okay, today we will learn the single crochet. So this is the step. These are the steps. These are the steps on how we make a single crochet. Okay, follow my steps. First, start with 20 chain stitches. So I have 20 chain stitches, as you can see. And after that, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Same with slip stitch. We count backward. We count one. We count 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook like this. Okay. After that, after inserting the hook, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2 loops. We have 2 loops attached in our on our hook. After that, yarn over, then pull through both loops, loop 1 and 2. Now we created a single crochet. So we just repeat the process across the row. We insert the hook, grab or yarn over, then grab, pull through. We have 2 loops, yarn over, then pull through. Okay, pull through both loops. We just repeat the process. Insert, yarn over, pull through. We have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. We have single crochet. Okay, we will just finish this 20 rows. Oh my gulay, so haba. Okay, insert. Okay, yan. Yarn over, pull through, insert, grab a loop, pull, yarn over, then pull through. Repeat the process. Insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, yarn over, then pull through. Repeat the process and until you finish the first row, like until you completed this first row. Repeat the same process, same way. Insert, always insert your hook on the front stitch. Okay, front loop. Okay, we have front loop and back loop, always on the front loop. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. So we have single crochet. I will just finish this. My gosh, ang haba pala nito. Okay. I will just finish this first row. You just try and try until you crochet single crochet perfectly. And we have the last yan, front loop. Insert, then grab, pull through. You have 2 loops. Okay, then yan, then chain 1. Okay, this is our single crochet. Now, how do we increase if you want to make 2 rows of or more rows of single crochet? Then flip this. Okay, then yarn over, chain 1. Then you can insert again on the first front loop, and then grab a yarn, in pull through. You have 2 loops and pull through. Okay, both loops. So you have second row of single crochet. But today we will just learn how to make a single crochet. Okay, sa first row lang. Okay, congratulations if you tried to crochet single crochet. Congratulations, you made it. You created your own single crochet. So tip, this is the most basic and commonly used stitch. So you need to learn how to make a single crochet because this is the most basic and commonly used stitch. So see you in my next video. In my next video, we will learn how to crochet half double crochet. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.